Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to log in to your HDFC Bank internet banking account. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. In the address bar at the top, click on View Site Information icon. Make sure connection is secure and certification is valid. Now click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. That's it. You are logged into your HDFC Bank internet banking account. This is how you can log into your HDFC Bank internet banking account. Thank you for watching.